Imagine you have an interesting problem where you need to convert all letters to lowercase, but only if the line contains the word models. This can be a tricky situation that requires a specific solution to achieve the desired outcome. Now, let's dive into how we can tackle this problem. Now, onto the solution for this issue. One crucial part of the solution involves using the Regex pattern. *m-models to identify the lines that contain the word models regardless of case. This pattern allows for a flexible and efficient way to pinpoint the relevant lines in the text. It's like having a specialized tool to precisely target the areas that need attention. In addition to the Regex pattern, the next step in the solution is to make use of the replacement expression L0. This expression works in conjunction with the Regex pattern to lowercase the entire matching lines, ensuring that only the necessary sections are modified. It's a clever way to apply the changes selectively and efficiently. In summary, by combining the Regex pattern *models $dollars with the replacement expression L0, we can effectively address the challenge of converting specific lines to lowercase based on the presence of the word models. This method streamlines the process and helps achieve the desired text transformation with precision. So, remember to use these tools wisely in similar situations. And with that, I hope you found this solution helpful and wish you happy coding adventures ahead. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Who knows, your comment might just get a lowercase makeover too.